I'm Lucas. I'm your lofter, aka home checker. Today we're visiting Home Sweet Home, a co-living space, and you can get to meet good people here. And there are 4 rooms and 2 bathrooms. Let's check it out. Okay, so this is the neighborhood that Home Sweet Home co-living is at. And this direction, you walk for like 10 minutes, you can go to the Dongmen MRT. Okay. And Home Sweet Home is at this building. You can see there's a sign there, their logo. Okay, so this is the gate at the first floor. So stairs, good window, good sunlight. Here we are. Okay, so this is the door, and this is a big living room. There are some sofa, camping chair, and a very good balcony there. It's very shiny, like the sunlight is really good. And there is a split AC, TV, and some storage space for your shoes. And this is from Boss. You can hang out here, and there are 4 rooms, a dining table here, a very big dining table, and here is room number 1, number 2, and it is a kitchen, and there are 4 people sharing room here, and bathroom number 1 and bathroom number 2. So here, this dining table, you can sit 10 people, and usually you can use your laptop here, or maybe you can cook here, have your lunch here. And this is a sink. Great. There's some storage space here. Let's check out the bathroom number 1. There's toilet, and a shower, and shelf, and there's a fan here, and hanger. Very beautiful one. And let's check out the kitchen. Let's check out the kitchen. Oh, there's a very big fridge here. Yeah, you can definitely put your stuff here. And freezer. From this angle, it's really, really beautiful. It's all brand new designed and furnished. And here is the kitchen. Hi, sorry. Hi. Hi. So there are stoves, fan, and some sink. Out there is another balcony, and some cups and bowls, everything you need, and microwave, oven, water fountain, and rice maker, some oil, everything you need to cook, to be a good chef. Okay, so this is the laundry balcony where you can do your laundry. The laundry machine is right here, and I think it's the dryer, and you can hang your clothes here. It's pretty long, probably about 6 meters long. Let's check out the bathroom number 2. It's on our left, like this. Toilet. A sink, a mirror, some shelf to put your stuff, and a shower head, some hangers here, and there's okay.